Welcome to Mystical Minds. I am your host, Jamie Gerard. Today, I'll be reading you a poem called Perception Means Everything from the book 95 Poetic Cues, written by Danny Martin Gerard. Perception means everything. It's only the mind preventing us from growing older gracefully. It is only the mind preventing us from healing gracefully, time and time again. It is only the mind preventing us from going further than we ever imagined. Some people spend a lifetime denying these statements. Some people devote their lives to these truths. The ones who devote their lives to these teachings are the ones who live in possibilities and faith. With possibility and faith, miracles unleash for our divine purpose and destiny. Thank you so much, Danny G. That was amazing. Now, I'd like to take a moment with you and think about what you're grateful for today. If you're able, close your eyes and think about the good in your life right now. I am grateful for my family, my wife, my friends. I'm grateful for you too. What are you grateful for? Now, take a deep breath in and let it out. With love, thank you so much for listening and have a beautiful day.